My dear darlings, hello and welcome. This is the first step in our journey to create our own games. Before we start, we need to install a game engine. A game engine is a program which provides all the necessary features to animate and give life to our design on screen in such a way that we can focus on developing the content without worrying about the underlying technical details. There are lots of game engines out there, each one has its own advantages and disadvantages. Some of them are free, others require you to buy a license. For this tutorial series, we're going to use Unity, because, in my opinion, is the easiest to pick up. It's flexible, powerful, and it has the largest active community, so, if you get stuck, it's easier to find help. Also, it's free for anyone earning less than $100,000 a year. Let's start by downloading and installing the Unity game engine. To do so, we need to go to unity.com. Please, type unity.com on your browser's address bar and hit enter. I'll guide you through all the steps needed to install Unity on your computer for the first time. Some steps will take time and you'll have to wait. In order to keep this video within a reasonable duration, all wait periods were removed. Please pause the video if you need it. Once you get to this page, please click on Get Started. Please click on Individual, unless you have earned more than $100,000 during the last 12 months. If that's your case, then you will have to pay for a license. But I do believe it is not, so go ahead and click on the individual tier. Then click on Get Started. And then on Start Here. This is the final warning before the actual download process. Just confirm your earnings in the last 12 months were below the $100,000 by clicking on Agree and Download. Once the download has finished, please click on the Unity Hub Setup program. In case a window similar to this appears, please click on Install Anyway. The setup program will show you a window similar to this, please click on Accept. Then on Install. And when the install process finishes, click on Finish. You will have to wait a little bit until the Unity Hub loads and presents you with this window. At this point, only the Unity Hub has been installed. The Unity Hub allows you to have multiple versions of the Unity editor on your computer. On the next step, we'll install the Unity editor. The first time, you are forced to install the latest, stable version available. Please start by clicking on Install. Before you can actually use the software, you need to register with Unity. This is mandatory to access any of the services provided by Unity Technologies, including the Asset Store. First, you need to create a unique username. Then you'll have to type your email address. You will receive an email with a confirmation link, which you need to open to activate your account. Create a password. Please read the requirements you have to meet, and then make sure to choose a password you really can remember. Confirm you have read the terms and conditions, and agree with them. Finally, click on Create Unity ID. If the information you typed was correct, you will be prompted to choose a template, otherwise you will be requested to correct any errors you could have made. On this page, we will create our first project. We're going to name it World, so under Project Name, please type World. We're going to learn how to build our project from scratch, which means we really don't need a template, so please select Empty 3D. Click on Continue. The install process runs on the background while you complete these steps. If you have a fast computer connected to a fast internet, probably by this point Unity is already installed, otherwise you will have to wait until the install process finishes. On this page, just click on Launch Unity. This is the Unity editor. Once you can see this window, you'll have successfully completed the Unity install process. And with this, my friends, we finish this episode. If you enjoyed this video, please tell your friends about this channel. If you want me to make more tutorial videos like this one, please subscribe, and don't forget to enable the notification bell, so I can notify you every time I upload a new episode. I'm April McQueen. Cheers, my darlings.